How to find a Telegram ID by phone number. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find a Telegram ID by phone number. So first thing, just head over to your Telegram application and just click on this pencil button above the camera icon. So just tap on it just like this and click on this blue person icon once again, and it basically tells you to enter your contact details. So you just have to enter the person's name just like this and their phone number just like this. And once you enter all of those details, just click on create contact. And if the person doesn't have a Telegram existing account, then it will show you something like this, which is the invite to Telegram, which means they don't have Telegram account. But if they do have a Telegram account, it will show you something like this, which means they already have their Telegram account created. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.